again. Today we're going to be looking at hop turns. A hop turn is when the skis start facing one direction, you jump into the air, twist them in the air, and you land with them facing the other way. For this one, I think about exploding from my ankles and knees into the air. Whilst in the air with my legs bent, I can twist them using the muscles in the top of my leg so the skis can face the other direction. For me, this helps me find the middle of my ski, as I need to be there to be able to move the skis quick enough from side to side, along with strengthening the ability to use my legs independently from my upper body. This drill can be a tiring one, but it's really good fun. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. I will see you next time.